Hey guys, Becki-licious here, and I'm about to show you how to make the creamiest beef stroganoff that you will ever taste. And I make mine with top sirloin, which is why I decided to wear my red with my white polka dot apron because I'm feeling fancy. Here's my delicious beef stroganoff, and I add mushrooms to mine. And you know I mean business when I pull out the top sirloin to throw in with it. All right. Let's get started on this amazing beef stroganoff. I've already got my top sirloin. I've got it all cut up into nice strips and everything. I've got my oil in my pan, all nice and heated up. So we're going to get all this transferred in here. Because we just want to brown this meat up just a touch. But I also use my seasoning. You know how I am with my Montreal steak. Just a little bit, not too much. So we're going to get this nice and browned up. Time for our next step. All right, we've got this top sirloin pretty much browned up to where I want it. And as you can see, I like to cut my pieces up into smaller pieces because it just makes it easier when you're eating. I don't like to be overcome with my meat, so to speak. So, all right, so now we're going to start with our next step because this is the easiest. It's a very fancy meal, but it's super easy to make. That's what I love about it. So this is it, beef stroganoff. This is our seasoning mix, so let's get this poured in. Okay, we're getting that in, and then we're adding in the water with it. And then we're going to get this all mixed up, and we're going to let this come to a real nice simmer, okay? This is simmered up. The sauce is starting to thicken up a little bit. It smells absolutely amazing. Now, my next step is a little different from other people, but it's an old family recipe. That's what you're going to do. I like to add mushrooms to mine. So we're going to throw our mushrooms in, and we're going to get these all mixed up once again. And then we're going to let this simmer, get all those juices in there. All right, our beef stroganoff is pretty much done. I turned off the heat a little bit ago. So we're going to stir this all up. Look at those yummy mushrooms, the sirloin, that yummy sauce. So our very, very last step, and this is why we had to take it off the heat, is we have to add in our sour cream. So we're going to get this all poured in and mixed up, and then we are going to be ready to plate up and eat our fancy dinner. All right, it's time to get this plated. Dinner is served. Look at how amazing this looks, and it smells to die for. So like I said, I was ready for a fancy meal, and it was super, super easy because I throw in my mushrooms, and like I said, the top sirloin, that's it. So there you go. I really, really hope you guys had an amazing adventure with me because I know I did. So you be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to share with your friends and click on the link me too, okay? And I hope to see you guys next time, okay? Bye. Now I gotta taste it. The creamiest. Yummy. If you liked this video, click on this one.